To analyze Coinbase Sell Crypto. Start by understanding the basics of cryptocurrency and the Coinbase platform. Coinbase is a popular exchange where users can buy, sell, and trade various cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. First, log into your Coinbase account and navigate to the dashboard. Here, you will see an overview of your account balance, transaction history, and available cryptocurrencies. To analyze the sell function, click on the Sell tab and select the cryptocurrency you want to sell. Next, review the current market price of the selected cryptocurrency. Coinbase provides real-time market data, including the current price, 24-hour price change, and market capitalization. This information helps you make informed decisions about when to sell your crypto. Now, consider the fees associated with selling crypto on Coinbase. The fees vary depending on the payment method, location, and type of account. Typically, Coinbase charges a spread of around 0.5 to 1% for most transactions. To place a sell order, enter the amount of cryptocurrency you want to sell and confirm the transaction. You can choose to sell your crypto at the current market price or set a limit order to sell at a specific price. It is essential to keep in mind that selling crypto on Coinbase may trigger tax obligations. Depending on your location and the type of cryptocurrency you are selling, it is recommended that you consult with a tax professional to understand your tax liabilities. In conclusion, analyzing Coinbase Sell Crypto involves understanding the platform, reviewing market data, considering fees, and placing sell orders. By following these steps and staying informed about market trends and regulatory requirements, you can make informed decisions about buying and selling cryptocurrencies on Coinbase. Best practices include regularly reviewing your account activity, diversifying your cryptocurrency portfolio, and staying up to date with market news and trends. By adopting these strategies, you can optimize your experience on Coinbase and achieve your investment goals. Remember, cryptocurrency trading involves risks, and it is crucial to educate yourself and develop a long-term investment strategy to minimize potential losses.